Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. It's our hottest selling boat down in our market down here. It does everything very, very well. Let's start with the new engines on the back. It's powered by the twin 250s. This boat hops right up on plane. It's close to a 50-mile-an-hour boat, so plenty of power on the new engines, extremely quiet, no vibrations, fantastic motors. If you're fishing, you got a nice leaning post right here, but if you're going just out for a nice ride or for lunch, you can just pull that out and you got a nice comfortable seat, 2 to 3 adults, very comfortable right here. And then as we move to the port side, you've got a table that hooks onto this seat, so you're actually, people from both sides can utilize this. Then we've got a little prep area right here with a sink. You've got the cooler that slides out, so easy access and slides right back in. Really nice feature. This seat does a little bit of everything. Goes all the way down. You can lounge this way. You can lounge this way. So it's just fantastic seat, and it's very comfortable as well. While we're over here, you've got the head. So you've got the vacuum flush, plenty of room in there. You've got a faucet with a handheld that will pull and rinse yourself off if you want to change from swimsuit into clothes to go into a restaurant. And then you've got a skylight, so you get some natural lighting in there as well. So as we close this and move over to the Helm area, this has got the Raymarine touchscreen. So it's a big Raymarine, so that's all you're going to need. You got a VHF radio, and then you get the digital throttle and shift. So really nice, neat, clean Helm area. And then the bow area, you've got a storage that this opens up. You've got a ton of room. You got a little trash receptacle down in there, which is really nice and neat, put out of the way. You've got the beach boarding ladder up front, pull right up to the beach. It's just a fantastic way to get on and off the boat. So if you've got any questions on it, would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.